We definitely need a filter because I am really not ready. I'm so well rested that I have bags under my eyes. Hey y'all, it's Transfer Tuesday. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wanted to come on and do a really quick video because I just do not have the energy to film a long Transfer Tuesday video this week. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you on the screen what my contribution was for last week Tuesday, whatever date that was. I'm going to put it here somewhere on the screen, and also this Tuesday, today, when I'm recording this video, because we are still remaining consistent. Even though I didn't film last week and I didn't send out any updates via Instagram, I wanted you guys to know that we are staying consistent. So $116 went towards debt this week. $2.11 went towards a stock we own in Robinhood. Now we are going to be building up our dividend portfolio more aggressively as soon as we get out of debt, because that's our goal. That's what we planned on doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week. Let me know what your contributions were for Transfer Tuesday. If you put some money towards debt, paid down your mortgage, you're saving for your down payment on your house, whatever you're doing, we want to encourage you to keep going, stay consistent, don't give up, keep hope alive. I can't believe I said keep hope alive. Stay consistent. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, live your lives to the fullest, and have a great and wonderful day. We love you. Peace out.